High above the clouds, hidden in the vast expanse of endless blue, lay the Sky Realm. This magical kingdom floated on colossal islands suspended in the air, tethered only by shimmering beams of light. The Sky Realm was home to the Aethereals, winged beings who kept balance between the heavens and the mortal world. But danger loomed, threatening to unravel the harmony of their celestial domain. On the mortal plane, a young girl named Lina dreamed of the Sky Realm. Her nights were filled with visions of winged beings and golden skies. Little did she know, she was destined to play a pivotal role in its survival. One fateful evening, while stargazing on her village's hilltop, a glowing feather drifted down from the sky and landed in her hands. As she touched it, a voice echoed in her mind, "The balance is breaking. The Sky Realm needs a guardian. Will you answer the call?" Lina nodded, and in an instant, she was lifted into the air by a spiral of light, ascending to the Sky Realm. Lina awoke on an island surrounded by a sea of clouds. Towering crystalline spires sparkled under a golden sun, and Aethereals with gleaming wings soared gracefully through the sky. She was greeted by Aethereal, a wise and noble ethereal elder. "The sky crystal, the source of our realm's magic, has been stolen by the Shadow Wraiths," Aethereal explained gravely. "Without it, the islands will fall, and chaos will spread to the mortal world." "What can I do?" Lina asked, clutching the glowing feather tightly. "The feather chose you, Lina. You have the heart of a guardian. But first, you must prove your worth by retrieving the lost shards of the sky crystal." Aethereal handed Lina a map, its glowing lines shifting to reveal her path. Accompanied by Kael, a young ethereal warrior with a spear of light, she embarked on her quest. Their first destination was the Wind Caverns, a labyrinth of twisting tunnels filled with powerful gusts. Inside, they encountered howling wind spirits that guarded the shard. The spirits challenged Lina. "To pass, you must harness the wind." Lina used her intuition, aligning the glowing feather with the wind's currents. With Kael's help, they navigated the treacherous paths and retrieved the first shard, which shimmered like a fragment of the sky. Next, the map guided them to the sunlit meadow, a radiant field where flowers bloomed with fiery light. However, the meadow was guarded by a fierce phoenix, its wings ablaze. "Prove your courage," the phoenix roared, unleashing a wave of fire. Kael stood ready to defend, but Lina stepped forward, speaking calmly. "We seek the shard to restore balance. We mean no harm." The phoenix, impressed by her bravery and sincerity, extinguished its flames and revealed the second shard hidden beneath its nest. The final shard lay at the Twilight Peak, the highest point in the Sky Realm. There, the Shadow Wraiths awaited, their dark forms swirling like smoke. As Lina and Kael approached, the Wraiths formed a towering figure. "You cannot succeed," it hissed. "The Sky Realm will fall." Lina gripped the feather, its light cutting through the shadows. Together with Kael, she fought the Wraiths, their unity and determination overcoming the darkness. The final shard emerged, glowing brighter than the others. With all three shards in hand, Lina and Kael returned to Aethereal. The Elder guided them to the heart of the sky, a grand chamber where the shards could be reunited. As Lina placed the shards into the sky crystal's pedestal, a surge of energy filled the realm, restoring its magic and stability. The islands brightened, and the Aethereals cheered. Aethereal turned to Lina with a smile. "You have proven yourself, Guardian. The Sky Realm is safe, thanks to your courage and heart." As a reward, Lina was given wings of her own, a symbol of her bond with the Sky Realm. She returned to the mortal world, but her adventures were far from over. With her newfound powers, She vowed to protect both realms, ensuring that the balance would never be broken again. And so, the legends of Lina, the guardian of the Sky Realm, were born, inspiring generations to come to look to the skies and dream of worlds beyond.